What's your fitness goal? Want to run a marathon or just tone up a bit? Let's start by setting clear, measurable, and achievable fitness goals. Whether you're aiming to shed some pounds, build muscle, increase endurance, or enhance flexibility, it's crucial to have a clear target in mind. But remember, this journey is not one size fits all. It's about creating a goal that aligns with your personal needs and abilities. Maybe you're looking to transform into a modern-day Hercules, or perhaps you're just starting and want to be able to chase after your kids without losing your breath. Whatever the case may be, your goal should be a reflection of you. Think about what you want to achieve and why. Having a powerful why can be the driving force that keeps you going when things get tough. So take a moment, reflect on your aspirations and set a goal that motivates and excites you. Always remember, your fitness journey starts with a clear goal. Before we dive into workout routines, do you know your current fitness level? That's the first question you should ask yourself before you start your fitness journey. Understanding your current fitness level is crucial, helping you tailor a workout routine that's right for you. So, how do you assess your fitness level? Well, you can start by doing a self-evaluation. Notice how you react to physical exertion. Do you get winded walking up a flight of stairs? How about that yoga class you tried last week? Were you struggling to keep up? These experiences can give you a good idea of where your fitness level stands. Remember, it's not just about endurance or strength, but also flexibility. Can you touch your toes without bending your knees? If not, you might need to incorporate more stretching into your routine. Knowing your strengths and weaknesses can guide you in selecting suitable exercises and deciding on the right intensity levels. It's not about being the best right away. It's about starting where you are and building from there. Knowing your fitness level isn't about comparing with others, it's about understanding where your journey begins. So let's embark on this exciting fitness journey together, shall we? Now that you know your goal and fitness level, let's talk about creating a training schedule that fits your life. Time is a critical factor when it comes to training. You might be thinking, but I'm as busy as a bee. Don't worry, even the busiest bees have time to gather nectar. Consider how much time you can dedicate to training each week and then carve out that time in your schedule. Maybe it's an hour in the morning before work, or perhaps it's 30 minutes during your lunch break. What if your time is limited? Well, think quality over quantity. Shorter, high-intensity workouts can be just as effective as longer, more moderate ones. They're like mini powerhouses of fitness packed into a compact time frame. Consistency and commitment are key here. Whether it's 3 days a week or every day, stick to your schedule. This isn't about fitting your life into a training plan, it's about creating a training plan that fits your life. Remember, a training plan should fit into your life, not the other way around. Ever heard of the saying, variety is the spice of life? It applies to your workout too. Just as a diet consisting of only one type of food would leave you deficient in certain nutrients, a workout regimen comprising only one type of exercise can leave you with imbalances. Incorporating a variety of exercises in your training plan ensures you're working all your muscle groups, promoting a well-rounded fitness journey. Think of it as a three-pronged approach. Strength training to build muscle and increase power, cardiovascular exercises to boost your heart health and endurance, and flexibility exercises to enhance your range of motion and prevent injury. Moreover, mixing up your workout routine helps to keep things fresh and interesting, preventing the dreaded workout plateau and keeping you motivated. After all, nobody wants to get stuck in a workout rut, right? So, don't forget to add a dash of variety to your workout regimen. A diverse workout regimen keeps things exciting and ensures a well-rounded fitness journey. Remember, your training plan isn't set in stone. It should evolve with you. Just as you wouldn't wear the same outfit every day, your training plan needs to change and adapt to your progress and needs. Stagnation is the mortal enemy of progress, and the same is true for your fitness regimen. As you stride forward on your fitness journey, it's essential to reassess and adjust your training plan. Perhaps you've mastered a particular exercise. It's time to up the ante. Safely increase the intensity, either by adding more weight, repetitions, or decreasing rest time between sets. Your body is a remarkable machine designed to adapt, so challenge it. But remember to listen to its signals too. Switch out exercises targeting the same muscle groups to keep your body guessing and to stave off boredom. After all, variety is the spice of life and the secret sauce to an engaging training plan. Adapting your training plan is key to continuous progress and making fitness a lifelong journey.